PAXG Gold might climb 2.2% by tomorrow, coin data flow suggests. Let's take a quick glance at today's market situation. As we speak, PAXG Gold is up 0.6% on the day and trades close to $4,401.90. Here come 5 views from analysts. Coin data flow expects the price to reach $4,496.64 by August 18, which would be a gain of nearly 2.2%. PAXG Gold might move up to $4,455 per coin price forecast. That's about 1.2% higher than now. Traders Union points out it could head toward $4,429.83, about 0.6% higher. A separate outlook released by Gov Capital projects PAXG Gold could test $4,331.86 on the downside, a decline of approximately 1.6%. And finally, crypto prediction suggests a drop to $4,000.33 by tomorrow, roughly 9.1% off the current value. This forecast tops all in returns. All forecasts are now in. Let's move ahead. We've seen the forecasts. Now let's measure what they suggest. Taking all projections into consideration, the likely price movement is between a decrease of 9.1% and a gain of 2.2%, depending on the analyst. The numbers make it clear that crypto predictions predicts the highest return with 9.1% gain in value by August 18. That makes it possible to earn between $6 and $91 for every $1,000 you invest. From a volatility standpoint, Traders Union's forecast is the most probable, showing a 62.5% likelihood of being correct. Out of the 5 perspectives, I've drawn one consolidated consensus outlook. Consensus estimates place PAXG Gold around $4,342.73, showing a decline of about 1.3%. Here's the breakdown. According to the consensus, the price could fall by 1.3% by tomorrow. In straightforward terms, your capital might climb by the same 1.3% tied to that outcome. With $1,000 as the base, this might equal a gain of $13. This consensus outlook is associated with a likelihood of about 54%. At this point in the video, let's uncover the 3-day scenarios analysts anticipate. Coin data flow suggests that the near-term picture is one of balance, with prices showing little variation. Coin price forecast notes that PAXG Gold could push higher. Traders Union expects only slight fluctuations. Gov Capital suggests PAXG Gold could slide further. Likewise, crypto predictions emphasizes a downward trajectory. By merging analyst perspectives, the consensus indicates PAXG Gold leaning lower in the short term. In conclusion, the majority of forecasts support a rising scenario, pointing toward PAXG Gold advancing further. 5 forecasts were made 2 days back. Now we see which ones matched reality. In the end, yesterday's move brought the price to $4,365.20. Only 2 out of 5 forecasts were right about the direction. The nearest result to reality came from Traders Union. Now let's set it in order. The daily range included none of the forecasts. For ROI performance, several analysts finished above 0, and Gov Capital had the highest return of 0.3%. Here's a quick summary table, a clear snapshot of forecast performance. 30 rates reported $90.80 accuracy, while forecast probability was 47.6% and ROI minus 0.3%. Check the table and see whose forecasts aligned best with the real outcome. Now let's take a moment to look at tomorrow's return expectations for PAXG Gold alongside a few other coins. In tomorrow's forecast ranking, PAXG Gold stands at 3rd place, and OKB tops the list with 5.7%. For now, we're comparing PAXG Gold with 4 randomly picked cryptocurrencies. More forecasts and useful tools are already available on my website. If this analysis of different analysts' performance made things clearer, tap like and subscribe for the next one. See you, friends!